What up, good people? Huge shout out to Hampton and Mercedes for allowing me to review the 2025 Mercedes-AMG GT43. Today we're introducing the 2025 Mercedes-AMG GT43 Coupe, wrapped in a head-turning sterling blue metallic. This performance machine stretches 199 inches in length, standing 57 inches tall, and riding on a 116-inch wheelbase. For a balanced, athletic stance with a ground-hugging clearance of just 5 inches, it's engineered for agility, speed, and pure driving exhilaration. Under the hood is a 3-liter inline-6 turbocharged with a hybrid assist, pushing out 362 for the torque, 369 at 4,000 RPM, for the 0 to 60 in 4.8 seconds, for the top speed 174 miles per hour. But efficiency had not been forgotten, 24 on the highway and 19 in the city. Here's the sound of this beast. Striking a perfect balance between coupe elegance and a 4-door practicality, the Mercedes-AMG GT43 Coupe, designed clearly, reflects its high-performance AMG pedigree. Its athletic silhouette is by a low stance and long hood with its assertive power dome and a flowing fastback roofline. This have an MSRP of $114,000. You have a button to activate your spoiler. Now we're making our way inside of the cockpit of the AMG GT43, where luxury meets motorsports DNA. You're immediately greeted by AMG performance seats, sculpted for support, stitched for style, and ready to hold you firm. This isn't just a seat, it's a command center, built for the drive. Right here we're looking at a digital analog gauge. On the left you have your MPH with your gas gauge, on the right you have your RPM with your power and charge, and in the middle you have your miles. Using the buttons on the left side of the steering wheel, you can go through your temperature, settings, engine data, music, and much more. Looking on the left side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control settings with your menu button, alongside your active spoiler and your engine start-stop bezel. Looking on the right side of the steering wheel, you have your Bluetooth and volume button with your menu button, alongside your drive mode bezel, with your plus and minus pedal shifters. Looking on the door panel, you have your memory seat setting with your heated and cool seats. Looking down on the door panel, you have your standard unlock and lock with your one-touch window control with mirror control, alongside your window lock. You have your engine start-stop button, aka your push button start. This particular model is a keyless entry. Right here we're looking at a 12.3-inch touchscreen display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. This particular model comes with 8 different backup camera angles. Beneath the radio, you have your dual climate control. You have your cup holder area with your 2 Type-C outlets. The buttons right here are your customized drive mode with your suspension and your handling, alongside your traction control. The buttons right here are your volume control with your auto start feature. Now we're unveiling the center console. You have 1 Type-C outlet. Hey Mercedes.
How can I help?
What time is it?
It is 12:38 p.m.
You have your glove box for extra storage space. Now we're making our way up to your interior lighting, alongside your SOS Safety Connect with your Me Connect. Now we're making our way to the back of the vehicle. We're also greeted with AMG bucket seats. You have your air vent. You have your cup holder area. Looking down on your door panel, you have your one-touch window control. Now we're making our way to the cargo area. Imagine that 16.1 cubic feet. Wow, this is pretty spacious. Once again, huge shout out to Hannah and Mercedes for allowing me to review the Mercedes-AMG GT43. If you need any information about them, I'll leave a link in the description below. Like always, good people, browse the channel, like, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.